Neon sky, humming wires, no trouble. I like this version of night.
The city's pulse missed a beat.
Phase 1. Blackout.
Hey, what happened to the lights?
Okay, that's not a normal city update.
One tower stayed bright, and it was exactly the one the female African-American ninja was walking toward.
Your stolen power ends tonight.
If they're cutting the city's lights, someone has to plug them back in.
The grid's out! We're stuck!
Little boost, big box.
System's back online somehow.
Lights dying. One tower shining. That's never a good sign.
You took my city's sky. I take back the night.
Sneaky, glowy, very stabby. Definitely the source of tonight's problems.
Shut down their monopoly. Then shut down their tower.
Let's see what you're doing to my power lines.
The ninja wasn't just swinging a sword. They were slicing code.
Hey, blackout guy!
A cat? With a signal?
You're crashing everything! People are still in those blocks, you know?
You're not corporate tech, but you're in my way.
Stand down, little anomaly.
Nope, nope.
You parry energy?
You cut the power, I cut your path.
Cute trick.
Less cute.
Bye, error.
You protect the tower's grid?
I protect the city. That includes people your blackout just scared half to death.
Unauthorized activity detected. Terminate intrusions. Wow.
Rude.
They target me and the stray.
You're welcome, Slicey.
You defend even the attacker?
You're not shooting people. Yet. so we're negotiable.
A tiny spark rewrote the battlefield.
Out of my way!
They're cozy.
They stole the sky's data, locked it behind their firewall.
Coral's at the top. Come or don't want, cat.
If you fry the core, you fry everyone's power. Not an option.
I'm not destroying power. I'm freeing it.
They are stealing it.
Critical assets under attack. Neutralizing.
Corporate welcome party, huh?
Their hospitality is consistent.
Stay behind cover, furball.
So, you crash the core, city goes dark. City goes dark. I say no.
I reroute it. Away from them. Back to everyone else.
You're strong with code, but if you miscalculate, boom! No one wins.
They erased my district, left it in darkness. I won't let that happen again.
You deserve better. They deserve better. But frying the grid just repeats the pain.
Let me help rewrite, not delete. Cityal's veins started to flow in a new pattern.
The lights came back.
Who's hacking my tower?
Unauthorized reconfiguration. Rolling back.
No take-backs.
Grid unchained. Unchained.
For the first time in years, the Cityal's night looked fair.
Intruders contained.
Time to go, Shadow Buddy.
Never thought I'd see it glow again. You wanted revenge. You got something better.
A cleaner grid, a brighter slum, and one impossible cat.
The city kept its neon and found a new kind of balance.
The shadows found a new mission, the lights found new streets, and a tiny kitten made sure that tonight, the code of the city changed for good.